So what I do is I take the wheels off, I take the body off, and I use this chemical right here called Tru Wash from ProTek Rc. And we're gonna take this thing outside and we'll go through the process how I clean my Xmaxx. So here we go. See this area right here, definitely an area to focus where there's a lot of mud and clay. So we're gonna spray that. I'm gonna soak that area. Pretty much basically I soak most of the areas that's got the most mud and dirt, and only a little bit on the area that's dusty. This stuff is less than 5 minutes. So loosen up all the dirt and keep it here. And there we go. So we're gonna wait about, I would say, 5 to 10 minutes, and we'll be right back. Okay everybody, I don't have a lot of time, so I'm about 3 minutes in, so I'm gonna go ahead and start trying to brush the mud and dirt off of this thing. So this is what I use, just an old paintbrush, and here we go. At the same time I kind of brush some of this stuff that's really thick up in there. Yeah, depending on how dirty your truck is, sometimes you have to soak it twice. This one looks like you might need a second. here it is. It's all finished. As you can see, the crevices right there was the dirtiest areas. Still got a little bit of mud in there, but you know, can't get it perfect like how it was when it was brand new. But I can come close to it. Yep, there it is, right there, nice and clean. The bottom. Well, that's it, everybody. So clean it this way. I use a lot of compressed air, and I'm probably, let's see, 25-30 minutes into this thing. It's clean. That's it.